How to pause Instagram Reels. So first you have to launch your Instagram application. Now, once you want to watch a reel, all you have to do is to tap that reel icon there. So, so before, if you're going to watch a video and you wanted to pause that, especially for reels, all you have to do is to tap that video and it will automatically pause. But for now, if you're going to tap the video, it can only mute and unmute the video reels. So I think that option was already removed by Instagram. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap this video, I can only see the mute and unmute option here. So what are we going to do to pause Instagram Reels or Instagram Reels videos? All you have to do is to simply tap the video, but you have to hold it or you have to press it longer. As you can see, if I'm going to tap this video, but if I'm going to tap this longer, you can see that I already paused Instagram Reel. So if I'm going to resume, all I have to do is to tap that one. But if I'm going to tap this, I can only mute the video. So you have to tap it longer in order for you to pause this Instagram video or Instagram Reel. You can see an option there that says pause a video, even if you tap the three dots or other options here. So this is the only way that you can pause an Instagram Reel. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.